received across Allegheny County. Although rainfall will become more scattered with time, ongoing runoff and snowmelt will allow flooding to continue through midday. Flooding occurring. Estimated rainfall up to 2.75 inches. Additional rainfall 0.5 to 1 inch. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Turn around, don't drown. Most flood fatalities occur in vehicles.